Installing H5p on WordPress. So this is a fresh installation of WordPress. What you would need to do is you go to your plugins and you want to add a new plugin. And up in the search bar, just type in H5p. And you will get a few options, because there are a few themes and a few other plugins that are add-ons to the H5p. But what you want to use is you want to use the interactive content H5p. This is the plugin that is shown on the h5p.org website, and this plugin will give you all of the different types of content you can create with H5p. So what you want to do is you want to install now, and once that's finished, you also want to activate it. So activate, and in your installed plugins now you see that H5p is installed and activated as well. Now you will find a new menu item on the left side under settings, depending on what your WordPress looks like, your WordPress dashboard looks like, and it's called H5p content. You can go to all content. There should be nothing here because I have not added anything. The second tab is for adding new content, for adding new activities. Okay, to be able to start creating interactive content, you must first install at least one content type. Let's see, let's install that content type. Takes a little bit to load, and we see here now we have access to all of the different type of activities. At the top here, your max upload size is quite small. That is fine, so that's used for uploading content like images or videos that you want to upload to your activities. That could be changed in your WordPress option to allow larger size files to be uploaded. We won't do that right now, but you can see here you get all the different types of content that are supported by H5p. So for now they're just there to be gotten. So if you want to actually create or use one of these types, you actually have to get it first. So if you want a multiple choice, if you want to create a multiple choice activity, you first have to get, which is kind of like downloading this item, this type of content, and then you will be able to use it. We won't go into that right now. The other option is libraries. So you can upload and H5p files that you already have. So basically like migrating from one platform to the other. You can download your files and then import them here. I don't have any files to import. And the final menu item here is my results. So once you create an activity and the activity is done or is finished, you can come to this page to check the results. basically your score. And that's it for just installing H5p on WordPress. I haven't created any activities yet. I haven't shown you how to get your activities from this kind of back end to the front end of your website, how to make the activities show on your website. That will be coming later on. Thank you.